go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece.
How it goes, 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 how it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Shami Kawega's on the go. I'm back again with another vlogging all the way in Pretoria. I am on the go, really, like literally on the go. I'm currently in Pretoria for a couple of days. I'm leaving for Cape Town tomorrow. Today it's Monday, the 18th of August. I'm leaving tomorrow, the 19th of August. My flight is at 8 p.m. I'll probably arrive in Cape Town around 10 p.m. So yeah, guys, I hope you've been enjoying my Zim content and liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Yeah, guys, so if you haven't watched my vlogs from Zim, you better pause this video, go and watch all my vlogs and then come back to this video, okay? Yeah, guys, I don't know what I will do, but yeah, hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. And yeah, share my channel, guys. Road to 600 subscribers.
I'm going low. But we let talk. Ting just be I change the door. The niggas see too.
Another day, another doula. Masamba soba bona. Welcome back to another day of the vlog. Still in Pretoria. Just walking around the complex. Bored. I have nothing to do. So, yeah. This hair needs to go. Can't wait to get a Cape Town so that I can remove this weave because it's long overdue now. It's long overdue. Like, nah. The weather is perfect. Yeah. Wearing a maxi dress. Yeah.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Just finished having breakfast, now watching Forever Thina. Guys, these shows on Showmax, like, where do people get the guts to write to these shows? Like, and where do people see adverts for these shows? Because you just see them playing. How do people write to these shows? Like, I'm just curious. Like, yo, weird. Forever Thina. Yo. La Congo is so beautiful, guys. Like, yo, I love her. Guess that is me for the rest of the day. Sitting on the couch, watching some Showmax. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this slow life in Pretoria. Yeah.
Kawegas, 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 Kawegas.